All right. What is up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We got to talk about Dish. Okay. This is the stock that everyone keeps blowing up in my comment section. Everybody wants to know about Dish. What do I think about Dish? We are going to break it down. Okay. I'm going to break it down for you guys in today's video. It's going to be the best technical analysis video you'll find out there on Dish. Okay. Giving you guys actual levels that really matter and really mean something. All right, and we're going to go over the key areas of support. All right, where you have a little bit of a bullish channel here, right? The bears will tell you that this is a bear flag after the huge move down, and then this is the flag right here. All right, but I know you guys are all looking for the short squeeze. We'll go over the major resistance levels, all the way up towards the 200-day moving average on the 1-hour chart. But I know you guys aren't looking for the stock to only go up $1, right? You guys are looking for those big gains. So we're going to zoom out and take a look at the daily time frame, okay, and go over the signals that we're seeing on the daily time frame and how potentially the stock could try to run up close to 100%, right, which is what you guys are looking for with that type of short squeeze, right? There's actually two signals right now. Okay, there's a bullish divergence and we're getting a signal on the MACD. You're going to want to pay close attention to these, understand what these are. I'm going to explain them to you in today's video. So be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more. As always, though, the content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. So be sure to read through the disclaimer. I have a huge Black Friday sale going on right now for the Investment Intelligence Discord, right? People are making, lots of money in the Discord. This is where you get access to all of the different trade ideas, the different resources and market breadth instruments that I have, as well as custom scripts for different indicators and things like that. All of that is available, and you guys can sign up for the Discord for simply $1. Okay, it's only going to cost you $1 to sign up for the Discord using the promo code Black Friday. That's Black Friday, all caps, one word. That will get you guys into the Discord for only $1. So definitely use that promo code. All right. If you want to, I actually started a completely free newsletter called Investment Intelligence. And in there, you'll get about 1 to 2 free trade ideas, right? So if you don't feel like paying $1, which is basically nothing, you can sign up for that free newsletter using the link in the description as well. And in there, you'll get free valuable finance content as well as free trade ideas. And this is what they'll look like, highlighting the conditions, showing you guys the chart. Okay, this was one on Stanley Black and Decker, highlighting the rising wedge, signaling where we think price action can come down to. And you can see it played out very well, very perfectly. Okay, so if you're fans of free valuable content and you want those free trade ideas sent directly to your inbox, sign up for the newsletter using the link in the description, or you can join the Discord to get access to all of the different trade ideas, different analysis, things like that. For just simply $1. Okay. And that's a Black Friday sale that's ending on Monday. Now let's get into the chart. So Dish on a 1-hour time frame, right? So from a smaller time frame perspective, right, we're rejecting the top of the channel, right? Rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. It's very possible we could start to pull back, right? I mean, that would make sense, right? 357, 351, 345, and 341. Those are your major areas of support, right? So you're going to want to screenshot this. You're going to want to chart those up. Those are the areas where you're going to be looking to dip buy, okay? And this is the reason being is because at these levels, you can set a really good risk to reward trade setup, right? If you were coming here and get in at 345 and have a stop loss below the bullish channel, that's a very good risk to reward ratio, right? You're risking this much right here, right? This is basically your risk, and then you're looking to capture, the upside in the future. That's basically a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, if we're actually able to break out of this bullish channel, which is what a lot of people are going to be looking for. And it's not going to be hard to do so. We just need a little bit of positive momentum, and maybe we get that actual short squeeze, right? 384 is going to be your first major resistance level, right? You're going to want to pay attention to there. If we break out of here, reject 384, it's going to be a false breakout, a look above and fail. It's going to be something you're not going to want to see, right? What we want to do is actually flip 384 to area of support, okay, from resistance, and that's going to be a really good sign. Above 384, we have 394, 403, 423, and 437. Okay, those are going to be your major resistance levels in the near term if we do get any positive momentum and you're a day trader or a very short-term swing trader, these are going to be one of some of the targets that you're going to pay attention to the upside, right? These are going to be the levels where, hey, maybe I want to take profit or raise my stop loss, or how whatever form of risk management you guys use. These are going to be the levels on the very short term that you want to pay attention to, right? We have our bullish channel here, and even if we just continue trading in our bullish channel, it's going to take us up to that first price target here of 384 within December, right? So even if we do pull back and just continue zigzagging in here, eventually we would reach that 384 level if we stay within this bullish channel in early December. Okay. And these are the main things that I'm looking at on a shorter term basis, right? These are going to be some short-term dip buying opportunities here. If we break below 345, right, and we flip 345 to resistance from support, very, very likely that this stock is going to continue heading lower. Okay. But if we're able to break above 423 and flip 423 to support from resistance, there's a very, very strong likelihood that we're going to get a move up to the 480 range. Okay. And the reason being is because these are the 61.8% retracement levels. These are very, very key important levels. And once you break through those levels, the odds of a 100% retracement greatly increase. Okay. Now, when we zoom out, go to the daily time frame. We have these vertical lines here. What are these vertical lines here for, Zach? Why are you showing us these? Well, these are when the MACD has crossed over, has actually had a bullish crossover. So take a look here where we had the bullish crossover, and the stock was at 650, and look what happened afterwards. It had a very strong rally up towards about 875. So really, really strong rally after we got that bullish crossover. Same thing happened over here. We had a bullish crossover. Stock was at 625, and then it rallied up to about $7. So again, another significant rally here. Now, we cannot determine how strong the rally is going to be or how long the rally is going to be. So you do want to take profit along the way, and of course, protect your profits. From the worst thing you can ever do is buy over here, not sell up here, and then panic sell down here, right? You do want to protect your profits. When you're in profit, you want to have some type of a trailing stop loss or some form of risk management. And take a look what we recently got. We just got another bullish MACD crossover. Okay. So with that being said, and with that being in mind, that is our first bullish signal. Number two is actually going to be on your RSI. Right now, remember, this is your relative strength index. It measures the relative strength of a stock at its given levels. What's the signal here? Well, I'm not going to give you the run of the mill, say, oh, it was oversold, so it's due for a strong rally. Rather, we have something known as bullish divergence. So take a look here, and we have a low, right? We have a low on the RSI, and then we have a much lower low, right? So we have lower lows on the price of the stock. Right? Very simple concept. Well, at those 2 points, we have, again, the low. And then what do we have? We actually have a higher low. So while the stock is in a downtrend making lower lows, relative strength is actually in an uptrend and creating higher lows. This is a simple term known as bullish divergence, and it's an indicator we could see some type of bullish activity in the future. Okay, the MACD is what's known as a lagging indicator. It's going to tell you what's happened after it's already happened, right? The RSI is a leading indicator, and it's going to tell you what could potentially happen in the future. All right. So our lagging indicator says that we have a bullish crossover, and our leading indicator says that we have bullish divergence. And what we're doing is we're in phase 2 right now of a 3-phase reversal, right? Phase 1 is your downtrend, right? Phase 2 is box consolidation, which is what we're experiencing right now. And phase 3 is going to be the actual reversal itself. Now, what is this blue box right here? You may be asking. Well, this is a gap, right? There's a gap from this candle, and this is on a daily time frame. This is known as a daily chart gap. These fill 90% of the time historically. The big question is when. When do they fill? Oftentimes, they can fill very quickly, and sometimes they may even take years to fill. So Again, the big question is not if the gap is going to fill, but when can the gap fill, right? And so if we can get a reversal and break above 468, then it's very likely that we get that gap fill up to the upside. Now, the gap fill is going to bring the stock around $5.25. It's currently trading at 365. This is a very nice gain to the upside. And if we were to see some type of a short squeeze, like everyone thinks we will, it's very possible that the stock can go up this high. Now, this doesn't mean that that's the limits of the length that the stock can run to the upside. Okay. There's lots of important resistance levels above hand, right? But it's very possible that this is an area we could see the stock run to if we do get that short squeeze, potentially, if not higher. Okay. So that is my breakdown on Dish. That is my thoughts on Dish. Okay, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think it can go back up to $8? Do you think it can go back up to $9, $10? I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts. All right. Don't forget to sign up for the Investment Intelligence Discord using that Black Friday promo code. It expires on Monday. All right. It will get you into the Discord for just $1. And this is where you can get access to all the different trade ideas, the analysis, the resources, market breadth instruments that I have, trading scripts, so much in the Discord. You'll get access to all of that for just a simple $1. Okay. So, just basically giving it away for free for you guys. You can also sign up for the Investment Intelligence newsletter. All right. If you don't want to pay $1, just sign up for the newsletter. You'll get free valuable finance content, free trade ideas right into your inbox.